Does the contractor have a permanent place of business? If the contractor is not permanently established, how can you be confident he will complete the work or will still be in business tomorrow to handle any problems? Does the company carry insurance, and is the coverage adequate?
That's a great question. That's why we provide detailed, specific information of our insurance coverage for every project, so you can make an informed decision from a team you can trust. We even give you our insurance representative's name and phone number so you can verify everything in advance. Don't take a chance. You should verify the coverage information.
Is the company a registered contractor and a member in good standing of a local trade association? By becoming a member of CCN, the Certified Contractors Network, Maggio Roofing has joined an elite group of highly qualified contractors dedicated to providing only the very best contracting experience for its clients. Maggio Roofing is also a proud member of the National Roofing Contractors Association and Washington Roofing Contractors Association. How long has the company been in business? Since 1989, Maggio Roofing has been providing homeowners in the Washington, D.C. area with professional roofing products and services while delivering the highest possible value for their home improvement dollar. What is the contractor's record for complaint resolution?
Being in the business for 37 years, I understand things happen, but what's more important is, can I rely on that company to come back and take care of their problems? And in this industry, things are going to happen, but it's more important that they stand behind what they do. It showed me that I did find that they absolutely do stand behind their job, behind their workmanship, and behind their men, and took care of what they had to do. And that satisfaction absolutely turned me on to the ability to use them for future jobs.
Maggio Roofing has been awarded the prestigious Company of the Year Award by the Certified Contractors Network. Qualified Remodeling Magazine honored Maggio Roofing with third place in their residential specialty category. A large part of these prestigious awards come from Maggio Roofing's commitment to using only the highest quality materials, superior craftsmanship, and our ongoing commitment to satisfying you, the customer. What is the company's workmanship warranty?
That's another great question. Specific warranties vary from product to manufacturer, but we provide a written workmanship warranty in addition to the manufacturer's coverage. We've been in business for over 15 years, so you know we'll be there to assist you throughout the warranty period.
Does the company provide sufficient details for the project being performed?
We were very concerned about a really quality job, and since we're, I run a construction company, and my husband's an architect. We're really into this. I mean, we're building professionals, and so we really wanted to work with somebody who knew what they were doing and could give us that level of service. And it was really a very satisfying experience.
Scott came out and did the estimate, and we discussed the price of the job. That's where it stayed. It didn't change. As the job was progressing, oh, we forgot this, or we need this, and this wasn't discussed. He was very thorough in the details that we discussed for the job. So there were no hidden costs, and everything was it was an easy thing to do, an easy process, because nothing was hidden. Everything was open and discussed, and which made it easier for me to accept the price that he gave me and for them to do the work.